Hey guys, so today again I'm working on my 2003 Mitsubishi Galant, and today I'm changing the rear shock. Again, the first thing first, we have to remove these two seats. So to remove the lower one, there is a latch over here. On the side, you just pull the latch and pull the seat on both sides. Okay, you're just gonna do this. It's easy. Then you see, it comes down so easy. Just right here. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing on the other side.
Hello, Daddy.
The next one is on this side. You pull it and the push comes out. And look at this. It's easy. The seat is removed. Okay.
Hello, Daddy.
This is right here.
Yeah,
And then
Daddy.
we're gonna have to remove bolts right here. There's one right here.
Hello, Daddy.
And
Hello, Daddy.
this second is
Hello,
right here.
Daddy.
And the third is right there, as you can see. And the fourth is again right there. Then you can pull. And then what you could do is, once you open those four bolts, there is just pull this up, pull it up, the back seat, and the back seat comes out, and you will have access to those rear shocks. Okay. All right, guys. So I'm gonna move this using the impact. Okay, this comes out, and this one. It's easy. This comes out. Okay guys, so this is the latch I was telling you about. Just pull it and then push the seat up. Alright, so all the bolts are out, as you can see. There's four bolts, and then all you have to do, just push it up. Okay, it's gonna be a little difficult with doing with one hand. So let me just, or you just use your two hands, and there's a hook over here. That two seat, and for this side there's two hook that the back seat sit on it. Just push it up and open up. I mean, it comes. All right, guys. So it's out. As you can see, I was telling you about these two hook right here in the rear side, and that fits right here to the hook. Right, one on this side, one on the other side. And these are your straws right there. As you can see, you have one bolt right there. One bolt right there, and the cover you don't want to open up. Okay, now I already changed this side, so I'm working on the other side. Okay, so this is the bolt. This is the bolt right here. So we use that impact drill to remove that. Okay, you don't have to take this whole thing out. It just came out, and then now we're gonna open the top hole. So take this one out, cover, put it right here. And now we're gonna open these material, this one and the one in the back. You don't want to touch the middle one, okay? Definitely not. Okay, so for this we're gonna have to use a breaker bar to